Your Apple Watch tracks 24 metrics every day. Your local weather adds a dozen more. Keld connects them. This is the correlation network. Every line is a real relationship. Green means they move together. Red means they move in opposition. 142 connections across your biology and your environment. Humidity, barometric pressure, sleep stages, walking mechanics, heart rate, all wired together in ways nobody was mapping until now. This is where it gets interesting. Keld doesn't just find correlations, it names them. Every connection becomes an Archemetric element with its own identity, its own rarity, its own place in your constellation. 142 elements, 1,918 bonds between them. This is what our early beta testers have discovered together. And the map keeps growing. Zoom in, and each element has unique artwork, a name, and a story. Amethyst, sweet halt, blood glucose versus steps, negative correlation, mythic rarity, your blood sugar drops when you walk more. Your body already knew that. Azure thunder gasp, barometric pressure versus respiration rate, negative, strong, 25 bonds. When pressure drops, your breathing rate climbs. That's not a guess, that's real data. Azure breeze gait, wind speed versus walking speed, positive, strong, and discovered by two people independently, the same pattern in different bodies in different places. You can zoom out and see the whole constellation, or zoom in and read each element's story. The map is yours to explore. Filter by biological system. Activity shows how your movement patterns connect to everything else. Steps, energy, stand time, all threaded into the web. Cardiac, 10 elements, 45 bonds. Your heart doesn't beat in isolation, it responds to energy output, temperature, air quality. Environment shows the baseline, how air quality, pressure, and humidity relate to each other before your body even enters the picture. Exposure, 18 elements tracking how daylight, noise, and environmental conditions shape your biology. Your core sleep shifts with time in daylight, mythic rarity. Fitness, heart rate versus physical effort, blood glucose versus energy burn. Each system tells its own story. The medical filter shows something striking, only 2 elements connected by a single bond. Basal energy and active energy, both tied to blood glucose. Simple but powerful. Mobility and respiratory, wind, temperature, humidity, and pressure, all connected to how you move and breathe. Your lungs are listening to the weather. Switch to polarity view, 74 positive elements, 507 bonds, flip it. 68 negative elements, 449 bonds. Your body runs on push and pull. Back to the full map, 142 elements, hover over anyone and the connections light up. Violet sap pulse, blood glucose and heart rate moving together. Mythic. Pin elements to anchor points and the entire constellation reshapes around them. The map transforms into diamonds, pyramids, starbursts, geometry that reveals structure you can't see in the default layout. This is what it looks like when one element anchors the whole system. Every bond line cascading downward from a single node, one connection touching everything. Every element in this map was discovered from real data. Real Apple Watch readings, real weather conditions, real patterns that emerged without anyone looking for them. Keld is in free beta on test flight, 100 spots, link in the description.